Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, you will be watching me paint a watercolor abstract. This is one of the first watercolor abstracts that I was really happy with. I used to struggle so much with watercolors, but this one I really loved. So I hope you enjoy watching this in time lapse. So I'm starting off with adding water with a flat brush. Then I'm going over it with a round brush with some yellow ochre. I'm continuing with a lot more colors in the shades of yellow. And once I'm done layering with yellows, I'm switching to browns. Remember to create depth. I keep saying this in almost all of my videos. I'm gradually introducing some red there. Remember that your paint will spread like this only when you have added enough water initially. I wanted to create an ink splatter effect in this painting. Remember not to add too much water or you'll end up creating ugly big splatters unless that's the effect you're going for. Now I'm creating some flowing water droplets. I have now mounted the surface vertically and hence I can create that flow. You will learn to manipulate this only with practice. Keep trying it out. Adding that bit of crimson really added some brightness into the painting. I'm creating more splatters here. You can even stop the paint from flowing too far when you're creating these droplets with the help of a paper towel. Just don't dab it too hard. You can also use a spritzer or a spray bottle to create this flow. Now I'm going on with the finer details. I'm creating a fir tree and I'm not creating this with just one shade of green. I'm using multiple shades of green to create this. I didn't really have a reference photo, I'm just having fun with this. Now I'm creating a mountain. I want this in the background, so I decided to make another fir tree right there. I'm making the tree first because if you do the mountain and then try to do the tree, it'll turn out to be a different shade. Trying something different here. Remember, when you're doing tree branches, don't use just one color yet again. Use different shades. Even with this tree, I'm again using some shades of yellow, some green to create that depth. You can also create a fir tree with this fan brush. Gives a really cool effect. Adding in more details into the tree with a dark green color. And you will notice when I added those finer details, I didn't have too much water onto the brush. And now I'm completing the mountain very carefully, not getting that color onto the tree. The key is to just practice with watercolors and you will never be able to create the same thing again. It will be totally different when you create this, if you try to create this again. Adding some more finer details and there it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will have a lot more instructional videos for you in the coming weeks. So do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching.